What is going on, everybody? Tech enthusiast here, and this is a speed test comparison between the Google Pixel 4 XL against the Redmi K20 Pro. So we have the Snapdragon 855 versus the Snapdragon 855, 6 GB of RAM versus 8. We have a clean version of Android versus a heavily skinned version of Android. Which one of these phones will win? Let's find out in this video. Up first is the Google Pixel 4 XL. It has a Quad HD AMOLED display. It's on Android 10. It has the Snapdragon 855 CPU and the Adreno 640 GPU and 6 GB of RAM. Then we have the Redmi K20 Pro. It has a 1080p AMOLED display. It's on Android 10. It has the Snapdragon 855 CPU and the Adreno 640 GPU and 8 GB of RAM. Just before starting the test, you can see there are no apps and games running in the background. In round 1, the scores are tied at 12 points each. Moving on to round 2, the RAM management. Here you can see all of the apps and games are running in the background. the end of round 2. The Redmi K20 Pro wins by 4 points. So that is the end of this speed test comparison, and here is a recap of the scores. In round 1, the scores were tied at 12 points each. In round 2, the K20 Pro won by 4 points. As for the price difference, the Redmi K20 Pro cost less than half the price of the Pixel 4 XL, and really you can buy two K20 Pros and still have money left over. The K20 Pro also has a bigger battery. You can record 4K 60 frames per second videos, and you can also buy storage options with up to 256 gigabytes. Having said that, the Pixel 4 XL easily has the better camera, stereo speakers, and a clean version of Android, so it really comes down to your budget. So what did you think of this comparison video? Do you own or plan to buy either of these phones? Do let me know in the comment section. Now if you have enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you are new here, then please do consider subscribing, as I have more videos coming up, so make sure you hit that bell icon so you get notified as soon as I release my videos. Please do follow me on Twitter and Instagram, and like always, thanks for watching, and I will catch up with you in the next video.